Okay, what's up everyone? We are fixing this today. And by fixing, I mean making a new one. So this is the bumper on a tractor. So I am planning on replacing this part with this 1-inch thick, 24 inches long, and it's like 3.5 inches wide. This is like 4 inches wide, so it's close enough. I marked these holes out on a piece of paper. Then I transferred this piece of paper to this 1-inch thick plate of steel. I'm planning on cutting it out with the oxyacetylene torch, and I center punched all 4 holes on all of them. So hopefully this goes well. And I hope I don't run out of oxygen. It's right now sitting at 100, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I torched these out and they did not come out that great. As you could see from the previous clip, I was struggling with the torch and I just ran out of oxygen. It actually said 0, not 100. So I try to grind these down as much as I can. Well, not really as much as I can, but just a little bit. And they didn't really come out that great. I think I'm just gonna go with it because at the end of the day, time is money. I could spend all the time in the world grinding all this down, filling in like that big gash and, grinding all this down. Same thing here, grinding all these down. Already had to grind a lot there to make them look nice. And I don't think it's worth it. I don't think the guy's really gonna care that much. So then I went and marked some lines here. I just scribed them with the angle grinder really quick. So I found the center point of this, and then I knew that these lines had to be from edge to edge, like 14 3/4. So I think I went 7 3/8 from the center line out. Same thing, 7 3/8 center line out. So when you measure from this line to this line, it's 14 3/4. So that's gonna sit roughly like that. And same thing here. So I don't really have a good way to clamp these from pulling. So I'm gonna try and tack them, then do like an inch weld, and then go to the other corner, do an inch weld again. And then same thing here. This one I noticed is bent though, right along here. It must have been from when they sheared it. It bent right in this section. So it's a little strange, as you can kind of see there. So, and the next step now is to drill these holes. So hopefully that doesn't take too long. Okay, so I got those holes drilled. They are not in the exact location, but I do remember the tractor side had bigger holes, so I think I can play around with them. I think this is where it's gonna sit. It's a little weird because once again, this one's bowed. So I'm gonna tack them up with the 332 7018. And then I'll come back and go with the 532, just one pass, right there, pass there, and should be that simple. Then I'll prime it, paint it, send it off. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. It didn't come out as pretty as I would have hoped. I'm hoping these holes all line up. I definitely could have did better with the torch cutting, but this should be plenty strong for what the customer wants. It's nice and simple, so if it ever does happen to break, it's not too super complicated to bend back. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated on all of the latest videos. See you in the next one.